Hey Marcelo, this is just a little bit of an example between the round robin and the standard samples. Excuse the noise in the background, but for example, with a pop kit, so you go. So, so the samples are pretty much the same volume, the same everything. But if I take the same kit and use the round robin sampling, kit two. So. So you can really hear the difference, and you get all the dynamics as well for the different types of the way you hit the drums. And this one's an ambient one, so it's not round robin. So it's pretty much the same sample for everything. A fusion kit. And if I can find some jazz kits, maybe. Yeah, here's the jazz kit with ambient. Where's the ride? Change the bass drum. But if I change it to the round robin, whoops. So you can hear the nuances in the different strikes, which is really, really cool. A pop kit in ambient. And the same one in round robin. What else do we have? Ambient, round robin, a box standard jazz kit. Jazz kit number 2. Should be able to change. Where's the other? So that one's not round robin. What else do we have? All kinds of sounds, yeah. Yeah, all kinds of weird sounds, but so you can hear the difference between the ones that are sampled normally and the ones that are sampled in round robin. Because what they do is they sample it several times so you can actually get all the nuances, which is really cool. So here's a pop kit. Yeah. And the same one, pop kit in ambience. Where's the pop kit in ambience? Yeah, there it is. That's an ambience. No, it's not the same one. There we go. So you can really hear the difference, actually. It's really cool. And brush. A brush kit in round robin. Where's a brush kit in round robin? Oh, that's ambient. I'm still trying to navigate my way through this bloody thing. Jazz, rock, brush, ambient, jazz, brush kit 3, and I was pretty sure that I found a brush kit in round robin, but I can't find it now. Pop Kit Pro, Fusion Kit Pro. There's got to be clavies in here somewhere. Oh. Yeah. All of this one is round robin sampled, so I'm trying to find something like clavies or something. No? There's a cowbell. We could do a cowbell. Something like that. Oops. So you get the idea, you know, the difference in sound between the round robin and the stuff that's just normally sampled. So I hope you like that. I'm still trying to find all of the sounds on this bloody thing. Yeah, especially, you know, all the string and orchestral stuff. The synthesizer sounds. I found some of them. You know, it's still very difficult though to try to navigate this stuff. You know, the synths. All this kind of stuff. You know, what else we got here? Little Beatles. Movie stack. Landscape. What other things we got? Guess how many? Meditation stack. Turn the volume down a little bit. All kinds of weird stuff. Nighthawk. What else we got? Space Trailer. So you get an idea. So there you go, mate. Take care.